Hello students, good evening all of you. So in this session we will discuss reactions of the dialkyl cadmium. Okay, so it is a organometallic compound. You know the organometallic compounds, that is Grignard reagent and Gell-Mann's reagent, dialkyl lithium cuprate, and one more reagent, that is alkyl lithium. So all these are the organometallic compounds. Here R2CD, dialkyl cadmium, it is also organometallic compound. So what are the organometallic compounds? If there is a bond between the metal and carbon, those are called as the organometallic compounds. For suppose it is not a organometallic compound, RCOO-ONA, it is not a organometallic compound. It is just a salt of the carboxylic acid and base NaOH. Okay. So it is not organometallic compounds. Here Grignard reagent, Gell-Mann's reagent, lithium dialkyl cuprate, and alkyl lithium and dialkyl cadmium. These are the Grignard reagents. Okay. Sorry, these are the organometallic compounds. So now here, so among the organometallic compounds, you know the reactions of the Grignard reagent and alkyl lithium, Gell-Mann's reagent. Now just here I will discuss the reactions of the dialkyl cadmium. Okay, it's a very rare catalyst actually. So very rare organometallic compound. This is okay. So but here its reactivity is very less. This dialkyl cadmium reactivity is very less. That means here you know this one alkyl lithium is more reactive. Okay. Next Grignard reagent is more reactive, and next dialkyl cadmium is a very least reactive compound. Okay, so among the here that just among these three organometallic compounds, dialkyl cadmium is less reactive. Okay, so it reacts with the highly reactive compounds. Generally, what is the reactivity order towards nucleophile attacking? Acid halides are more reactive. Okay, and then aldehydes are more reactive, and next ketones are more reactive, and then anhydrides are reactive. Okay, and next esters, and then least reactivity for amides. Okay, why these amides are least reactive towards nucleophile attacking? So generally, if this carbon has a more magnitude of the positive charge, then it is readily attacked by the R minus nucleophile. Okay, so here the magnitude of the positive charge is increased by the that minus I effect of the chlorine. But here in this case, here the magnitude decreases by the plus sign nature of the alkyl group. Okay, here in case of the anhydrides, due to plus some effect of this oxygen. Okay, here magnitude of the carbon, that means magnitude of the positive charge on this carbon decreases. Now here in this case, here also acting as a plus M group, that decreases the magnitude of the positive charge. Now here in this case, NH2 decreases the magnitude of the positive charge. Here NH2 is a very strong donating group, very strong plus M group, that can decrease the more magnitude of the positive charge and that carbon of the CO. So that is less readily attacked by the nucleophile. So finally, ultimately that acid halides are more reactive towards the nucleophile. Now in this case, this dialkyl cadmium. Okay, first suppose I am taking acid halide, this acid halide, this on reaction with dimethyl cadmium. Okay, dimethyl cadmium. This acid, this dialkyl cadmium only react with acid halides among the given compounds. Okay, because they are highly reactive. So here CH3 minus. Here magnitude of the negative charge is very less because cadmium is a less electropositive element. So here carbon has a very less magnitude of the positive charge. Now, but here in this case, it's a more electropositive. So here this carbon alkyl group has a more magnitude of the negative charge. That's why it is a more nucleophilic, highly reactive. So here in this case, the CH3 minus nucleophile attacks on this one. So here that can replace O minus here CH3Cl. Now then here reformation of the pi bond, then you will get this CH3C double bond O, here CH3. Okay, the ketone is a product finally. So here in this case there is no further reaction actually. Okay, this is a, for suppose CH3 twice CD, there is no further reaction. Okay, but suppose here in this case if you add methyl magnesium chloride, okay, or methyl lithium, okay, methyl lithium, this one reaction with this one, the first step and this can further react with methyl magnesium chloride or methyl lithium. Okay, because in this case Grignard reagent and alkyl lithiums are more reactive, can react with aldehydes, ketones also. So then here followed by hydrolysis, we will get this product. Okay, CH3. Okay, followed by hydrolysis. So here acid halides can that means dialkyl carbene can react with only acid halides, but not with aldehydes, ketones, anhydrides, esters. Okay, just acid halides converted into ketones. But with the Grignard reagent and alkyl lithium, acid halides on reaction with that means we'll get the ketones, and ketone can furtherly react with the Grignard reagent, we'll get the finally alcohol. But just with dialkyl carbene, we can get the good yield of the ketone from the acid halide. Okay, suppose here you can see this compound has some multiple functional groups. So here C double bond O Cl, and this double bond O here Et. That means the ester functional group, acid halide functional group, here ketone functional group. This one on reaction with methyl cadmium. That means here dimethyl cadmium. Okay. So just here acid halides, esters, ketones, which is a more reactive. Acid halide is reactive, so that can react with only acid halides, and remaining functional groups ketone that remains same, and ester is also remains same. Just here double bond O CH3. So just here one equivalent of the dimethyl cadmium consumed, and you will get the product ketone. Or suppose this one on reaction with the methyl magnesium chloride. Okay, methyl magnesium chloride, adding excess and followed by hydrolysis. Okay, followed by hydrolysis, the product is this one. Acid halide consume two equivalents, that methyl, and this ketone consume one equivalent of the Grignard reagent, and this ester also consume two equivalents of the Grignard reagent. That is the final product. You know this one. I think all of you know this Grignard reagent reactions, but here dialkyl cadmium reactions are very rare that can react with only acid halides. No reaction with ketones, aldehydes, anhydrides, and esters, amides. Okay, just here acid halide is there, ester is there, ketone is there. Just that dialkyl cadmium can react with acid halides only, because acid halides are highly reactive compounds. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Sorry, just listen this one. How to prepare this this dialkyl cadmium? Okay, so generally here by reacting with methyl magnesium chloride. Okay, this methyl magnesium chloride on reaction with the cadmium chloride, we can get this one. Okay, this is a CH3 twice C, dialkyl cadmium, and your side product is MgCl2. Okay, 2MgCl2. So Grignard reagent on reaction with the cadmium chloride will get the dialkyl cadmium. Okay, and one of the side product is MgCl2. So it is a way of preparation of the dialkyl cadmium. That's it. Okay, thank you.